How could an expression like 5x plus 5y be written with brackets? If it was written using brackets, what number would go in the box? If 2x minus 2y was written as 2 times a bracket, what letters would go in the boxes? Factorizing is the reverse process of expanding. For example, 2a plus 2b comes from multiplying 2 times a plus b. Let's fill the gaps together. In the second expression, 3 is a common factor. In the third expression, take care of the sign between them. It is negative. In the fourth example, I can see that 2 is a common factor. How many times does it go into 6b? 3b times. That's right. You only need writing 3 because 2 times 3 is already 6. Last but not least, we write 4d in the empty space. Sometimes the number 1 is needed inside the bracket. For example, if 2 is a common factor, we need 4c plus 1 inside the bracket. 2 times 4c is 8c, and 2 times 1 is 2. If 4 is a common factor, we need 2d plus 1 inside the bracket. Common factor 8 and 2e plus 1 inside the bracket. Pay attention to the minus between and pay attention to the order of the expression inside the bracket. Sometimes a letter is a common factor. For example, ax plus ay has a common letter. To fill the gap, we need ay. Stop the video here and fill up the remaining gaps. Right, let's do it. B is a common factor, m plus n inside. A is a common factor, b minus m inside. Y is a common factor, 9x minus 5 inside. X is a common factor, 4 minus 3y inside. Want more practice? Access full courses, quizzes, and worksheets in the link below. Happy learning!